Hi, my name is Jordy. I'm Utopia's Director of Operations. Today, I'm going to talk about one of our recent events, the XCentric Conference out in Fort Worth, Texas. The organization EO, or Entrepreneurs Organization, is made up of entrepreneurs from all over the globe that travel annually in for this conference. This conference was especially cool for us to produce because Joey, Utopia's president, is not only a member of the local St. Louis chapter, but he also serves on the board. So it was a really cool full circle moment for our team to be able to produce this event. This event was 2 days full of impactful sessions, fun and entertaining moments, and lots of opportunities for these entrepreneurs to talk to each other one-on-one. This conference was filled with incredible speakers like John Foley and Emmett Smith. There were also masters in the marketing space and the entrepreneurial world. There was truly a speaker for everyone. So Utopia's main focus at this conference was twofold. Number one, all of the production for the main ballroom and also capturing content. In the main ballroom, we had a setup similar to ones that you've seen us do in the past, but there were a couple of key differences. So number one, our team typically ground mounts all of our LED walls, so we build it up from the ground up. In this case, the LED walls that we were using were so large that we had to work with a hotel in order to rig them and hang them from the ceiling. So we had two 45-panel walls on either side of the stage, and the wall in the center was 91 panels, so double what the normal size is for our typical LED walls. This was a showstopper. Because we were able to hang them from the ceiling, it gave a really seamless look to everyone in the audience, especially paired with a pipe and drape. Now, one thing that was specific to this event, which while Utopia didn't have a direct role in, is definitely something that I want to talk about, and that was the branding. I have never seen an event with branding quite like this one. It was on point throughout every aspect. The theme for this event was unbridled, and because the event was in Fort Worth, Texas, of course it was very Western and cowboy themed. So from hay bales in the foyer to a fake horse right outside of the conference doors, all the way to all of the graphics and the signage, it was amazing. They had printed graphics that were 3D, they had stickers on the floor, stickers on the elevator walls, and on the rotating door to walk into the hotel. The branding was everywhere and everything was flawless. From the graphics that were printed to the graphics that were on the screen, everything was on brand. Even the lighting in the room, we made sure to color match to all of the digital graphics. So I've talked about the AV setup, now let's focus on the content. Utopia set up a content booth outside the main ballroom in the foyer to record attendee shares and experiences. Throughout the conference, we would have various attendees come up to the content booth and ask them questions. But different than just like this setup, me sitting in front of a camera, we made sure that this experience was interactive for the attendees. We had a TV in the content booth that was attached to a spinning wheel. So the attendee would come up, we'd spin the wheel, they'd say stop, and they would answer whatever question the wheel landed on. These clips are going to be used by EO to, number one, drive membership into the organization, and also to encourage the members to come to these events in the future. Not only was there a ton to do during the day during the conference, but EO also took advantage of the location and planned some really cool offsite activities at night. So the first night was at a local whiskey distillery. So not only were there distillery tours and tastings, but the night also ended in a really amazing both firework and drone show. And you've got to see the clips of this drone show. It was amazing. And on the second night, the last night of the conference, they went out to the stockyards, and it was as Western themed as you could imagine. There was bull riding, there was shooting. Taylor Sheridan, the creator of Yellowstone, also made an appearance that night. It was one of the coolest offsite events we've been to, and we're so glad that our video team was there to be able to capture that experience so that EO can show its members just what they can expect when they come to an EO event. We're so lucky to have been a part of this event, and if you are looking to plan your next event or conference and you're looking to do something unique when it comes to the attendee experience, whether with video or production, you can schedule a call with our team at the link below. We'll see you next time.